Welcome to a new video where we reveal the secrets to a small apartment living room makeover on a budget. Ever wondered how to transform your compact space into a cozy haven without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. Today we'll be sharing invaluable tips on how to maximize space, utilize a limited budget effectively, and craft a stylish, cozy living room that reflects you. From smart furniture choices to chic decor ideas, we've got you covered. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we offer practical home solutions for a serene living. Planning plays a key role in any makeover. Think about it, you wouldn't start a road trip without a map, would you? The same principle applies here. Before diving headfirst into the makeover process, it's crucial to set a clear budget. This way, you can avoid surprise expenses and keep your spending in check. Next, decide on a theme or style. Whether you're drawn to modern minimalism or rustic charm, having a clear vision will guide your furniture and decor choices, ensuring a cohesive look. Now let's talk about layout. A layout plan is like a blueprint for your makeover. It gives you a spatial understanding of your living room and helps you visualize where each piece of furniture and decor will go. This prevents you from buying items that won't fit or don't complement your space. Remember, a well-thought-out plan is the foundation of a successful makeover. A well-planned makeover not only saves time and money, but also ensures a well-coordinated and stylish outcome. Choosing the right furniture is crucial in a small apartment makeover. It's like putting together a puzzle where each piece needs to fit perfectly within the limited space. So how do you go about this? Let's dive in. Firstly, consider multifunctional pieces. A coffee table that doubles up as storage, or a sofa that transforms into a bed, can be your secret weapon in maximizing space. They not only serve multiple purposes, but also eliminate the need for additional furniture, thus saving you money. Next, let's talk about size and scale. It's easy to fall in love with a large plush sofa, but will it fit comfortably in your living room? Probably not. Therefore, always consider the size and scale of your furniture. Opt for pieces that are proportionate to your room size. This will ensure your space doesn't feel cramped or overwhelming. Now, on to style. Your furniture should not only be functional and appropriately sized, but it should also complement the overall style of your room. Whether you're going for a minimalist vibe, a boho chic look, or a classic aesthetic, your furniture should align with your vision. So, if you've chosen a modern theme, you might want to steer clear of that vintage, ornate cabinet, no matter how much you love it. Lastly, always keep your budget in mind. While it's tempting to splurge on that designer chair, remember there are always budget-friendly alternatives that look just as great. So, there you have it. These tips should help you navigate the furniture maze and make the most of your small apartment. Remember, the right furniture can make a small space feel larger and more inviting. The final step in a makeover is adding decor and finishing touches. This is where the magic happens, where your living room transforms from a blank canvas into a reflection of your personal style and taste. Decor, in essence, is the personality of your room. It's what makes your space unique and truly yours. Think of your living room as a novel, and the decor as the adjectives that add color, depth, and character to the story. When it comes to choosing decor items, affordability doesn't mean you have to compromise on style. Flea markets, thrift stores, and online marketplaces can be treasure troves of unique, budget-friendly pieces. It's about finding items that speak to you and tell your story. Adding color to your living room can be as simple as a vibrant throw pillow, a bold rug, or a striking piece of artwork. Remember, color can influence mood. Warmer tones tend to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere, while cooler hues might lend a more calm, serene vibe. Texture is another element to consider. Mix and match different materials to add depth and interest. A soft plush rug, a sleek metal coffee table, a rustic wooden shelf. Each piece contributes to the overall feel of the room. And then, there are personal touches. These are the items that hold sentimental value. Family photos, cherished books, travel souvenirs, even your favorite scented candle. These are the details that transform a house into a home. Incorporating these elements might seem like a daunting task, but remember, there's no rush. Decor is an ongoing process, a journey of discovery. Your tastes may evolve, and that's okay. Your living room can evolve with you. With the right decor, even a small living room can become a stylish and cozy space. It's all about creating a place where you feel comfortable, happy, and truly at home. So there you have it, a small apartment living room makeover on a budget. We've journeyed through the importance of planning, selecting the right furniture, and the critical role of decor and finishing touches. Remember, transforming your living room doesn't always have to be a costly venture. With a thoughtful approach, you can create a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Start by identifying what you want to achieve. Then, choose furniture pieces that are versatile and space-saving. Lastly, infuse your personality into the room with your choice of decor and finishing touches. By incorporating these elements, you'll be well on your way to creating a living room that feels like home without breaking the bank. We hope this guide has provided you with some inspiration and practical tips to kickstart your own living room makeover. After all, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of creating a space that truly reflects who you are. What are your thoughts on this? Share, comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home living solutions.